I am Orlando, this is Sin City Cycling, and today is New Bike Day. It is a gravel-specific drop bar bike with a one-by system. We've been wanting to do some gravel-specific rides here in Las Vegas, and we thought this would be a fantastic way to do so. I've already taken a quick look at the instructions. The instructions say 20 minutes out of the box, comes with tools. Let's get into it. We got it together, and I actually believe it took longer to get all the protective packaging off than it did to actually build the bike. But as you can see here, we have a SRAM Apex 1x group set, and it is a hydraulic disc brake setup. We are running a 1x system with a 42T up front and a 42-11 in the back. It is on Alex rims and Kenda tires. Everything seems really good. They didn't really chintz on anything. They actually used Jaguar as the setup, which is a great brand. I like the bar tape. I like the feel of the levers. I like the color. I don't know if you guys can see the way these back, what do we call them, chainstay? The way the chainstay is shaped. For me, being a road bike rider, I've never seen anything like that before. It's pretty extreme. It's pretty neat. We're going to be doing some gravel-specific rides. Look for those videos to drop real soon. Oh. So we took it out on the first ride. It's very smooth. It's going to take a little bit getting used to. I'm not really used to this SRAM setup. It is mechanical. Quick little touch goes down, long pull goes up. Overall, it feels very smooth. It doesn't feel heavy for an aluminum bike, which I actually thought that it might. There's plenty of spots to mount stuff. I don't think I'll be lacking for places to mount. But overall, so far I like it. I can't wait to take it out.
Holy cow, that was scary. 25 on the gravel, man.